Welcome everybody. College basketball action. Mike Brenner coming to you. Last night we were 2-1 on our NCAA basketball videos for SBR, so we're going to keep the momentum going. UCONN is ranked 24th in the country, and of course they're trying to live without 7-foot center Amita Brima. He is out, and they felt that last game. The three big men that tried to fill in for them, Facey, Miller, and Enoch, all three of them in the second half just got sloppy and all fouled out. All right, they are still led by Rodney Purvis, and I think tonight they're going to buckle down. They had built a very nice halftime lead against Tulane. They were up by 19. So I look for them to do something similar against Temple, because Temple at 6-6 really struggling. They're 1-3 versus top 25 teams this year. Houston beat the daylights out of them last game. Houston was up 37-17 at halftime. Temple just could never get anything going. All right, they are led by Quentin DeCoy. He leads the team with 15 points per game. All right, Bet365 had it opening up at UConn minus 10.5, and what I like here is the first half, and I like this as a very solid pick. I think the big men for UConn step up early. Rodney Purvis leads the way, and they generate another first half lead that's going to give them comfortability for the second half, so they can concentrate on not playing sloppy in the second half. So take UConn tonight in college basketball on the first half minus 6. Don't miss it.